Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies from the two state government universities. So one is a contract basis and second one is a regular basis, and the pay scale is as per the UGC pay scale. And here out of both these two universities, so one university is not required the UGC net. Okay, so let us see the details regarding the vacancies notification from both these two state universities. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET Paper 1 as well as the Paper 2 Electronic Science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. So, and I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here the first state university is the Odisha University of Agriculture and Technology. So coming to this one, here you can check down that the walk-in interview for the guest faculties. The candidates are invited for the walk-in interview for engagement in the following post as a guest faculty at the College of Fisheries, Berhampur, for the academic year 2022-21. So coming to the subjects here, you can check down that guest faculty 1, MCA with minimum 60% of marks, and the desirable qualification is the 2 years of teaching experience, and the nature of work for offering information and communication technology. So if you're having MCA with minimum 60% of marks, then you can apply for this post, guys, because it is the essential qualification and it is a desirable qualification. Now while coming to the guest faculty 2, MA in English with minimum 60% of marks, 2 years of teaching experience for offering communication skill and personality development and technical writing and communication skill. Coming to the guest faculty 3, the bachelor degree in physical education, the 2 years of teaching experience for offering swimming and physical education and yoga. Next, guest faculty 4, PhD in concerned subject, 10 years of teaching experience for offering sustainable aquaculture, advances in aquaculture production, non-food aquaculture and the coastal aquaculture. And here the date and time of walk-in interview is 11th December 2020 at morning 11, and the venue is Office of the Director, College of Fisheries, Berhampur, and the documents required 5 sets of biodata, 1 set of photocopies of all documents in support of biodata, so all original documents for verification, and the demand draft of worth 500 rupees drawn in favor of Comptroller OUAT Bhubaneswar 751003, payable at the SBI OUAT branch Bhubaneswar. No TADA will be provided for the candidate for appearing the interview. Okay, so these are the details, guys, so you may check down. So for your reference purpose, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So the candidates without having the UGC NET qualification and only these qualifications, you can apply for this post. You can apply for this post as well as you can go for the walk-in interview, guys. Okay, and coming to the next one, it is Tiruvanavelli Dakshina Maranadar Sangam. So from this one, here few assistant professor vacancies are announced, guys, so you may check down here. So applications are invited for the following aided post. The name of the post: assistant professor in mathematics and assistant professor in physics and botany and commerce. Here the number of vacancies are also mentioned, and as per the caste category also the vacancies are divided here. And next, the qualification of qualifications and the scale of pay as per the UGC norms and the Tamil Nadu government rules. And the last date for submission of application is 28 December 2020 before 5 p.m. The application should be addressed to the secretary, Tiruvanavelli Dakshina Maranadar Sangam College. Okay, so his address is mentioned here, so you may check down. And coming to the one more vacancy is also there here, assistant professor in mathematics, physics and chemistry. Here the number of vacancies are mentioned, and based upon the caste category also the vacancies are split up here. And the qualifications and pay scale as per the UGC norms and the Tamil Nadu government, and the application last date is same 28 December 2020 before PM. Okay, and the application should be addressed to the secretary and the same college. Okay, so Tirunelveli district, and the pin code is also given. So both these two are the recruitment notification, guys. So please go through this notification in detail to get the accurate details and to get the more details. I will provide these links in the description box of this video. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, So both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science. So both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best guys. Thank you very much.